think fear is the number one reason why people don't get started investing in real estate. The reason why is because it seems so dang scary. And I think the best way to overcome this is actually by facing problems in life head on. So if you are working in a pharmacy and you see a customer who is always known for yelling, and every time you see them you kind of cower, the best way to actually handle this problem is to go and say hi to them, actually help them, confront your fears and confront your problem and get it solved. And by doing so, there's a good chance to actually really respect you for doing that, first of all. And also, you'll learn to not be so afraid of things. So say you want to go in real estate investing and you're really nervous about doing cold calls. By learning how to face problems continually over and making it a normal part of your life, you'll be more comfortable when you have to do hard things in real estate that seem very uncomfortable. So that's kind of the same concept with cold showers. If you can learn how to do cold showers over and over, it starts to build that endurance and you start to feel fearless.